Next one is plane section of a sphere, right? Now what is a sphere? Sphere is like this, right? This is the center and this is called radius. Now plane, this is called a plane, right? As you know, this is a plane. Now if a plane cuts the sphere at the center, right? If the plane cuts the sphere at the center, right? Now this plane cuts the sphere at the center of the sphere. That means this plane divides the sphere into two equal parts, right? Like this, two equal parts. This is the center of the sphere, this is the center of the sphere. See, the plane is passing through the center of the sphere. After the plane cuts the sphere at the center, that means this plane divides the sphere into two equal parts, right? Now this common portion, the set of all points or the common points of the plane and the sphere is a circle, right? That means the plane section of a sphere is a circle. What does mean? The plane section of a sphere is a circle. That means the set of points, common points, the set of all common points of a sphere and a plane is a circle. See, this is formed, this only this part is a circle. This is the intersection part of a sphere and a plane. This is in the form of a circle. Now, if the plane is passing through the center of a sphere, that plane divides the sphere into two equal parts. The plane section is a circle. Here, center of the circle is equal to center of the sphere. Center of the circle is equal to center of the sphere, and radius of the sphere is equal to radius of the circle. Radius of the sphere is equal to radius of the circle if the plane intersects the sphere at the center, right? Now this circle is called a great circle. What do you mean by great circle? The center of the sphere is equal to the center of the circle, then that circle is called a great circle. Or else if the plane is passing through the center of a sphere, that common portion is called a circle, and that circle is a great circle, right? Suppose if this plane cuts the sphere at this point, right? The plane cuts the sphere at this point. That means this figure will be like this, right? This is the center of a sphere, right? This is the center of a sphere. Now again, the plane common portion is a circle. The common portion is a circle. Now this point is called C dash and this C dash is the center of the circle. Now this is called radius of the circle, whereas this one is radius of the sphere. This is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is denoted by R dash. Center of the circle is denoted by C dash in general. Now what is this length? This is also radius of the sphere. This is radius of the sphere. Now see, this one is radius of the sphere, right? Now, whereas this distance is called radius of the circle, this distance is called radius of the circle. Now, again, once again, we'll draw like this. Now this is called C dash, this is called C. Now this is called center of the circle, this is center of the sphere, this is what, radius of the sphere, this is what, radius of the circle. If you draw like this, now this C dash is the foot of the perpendicular of C. This C dash is the foot of the perpendicular of C onto the plane, right? This is 90 degrees. Now what is plane section of a sphere? The plane section of a sphere is a circle. That means the common portion of a plane and a sphere is a circle. If the plane cuts the sphere at the center, the common portion is called a great circle. Otherwise, that common portion is called a small circle. Now, here the plane cuts the sphere at this point. No, now this common portion is a circle. No, now this circle is called a small circle, right? If the plane passes through the center, then only that common portion is called a great circle. Otherwise it is a small circle, right? Sir, okala ikkada cut cheste sir antaru sometimes. Say this is the center of the sphere. Suppose ila cut cheste sir at this position. Again ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, like this. అంతే కదా. Now this becomes center of the circle, this becomes center of the sphere, that's it. Again this common portion is called a circle, right? Now sir at this position, e position lo cut cheste, but it is not passing through the center. In this case also that common portion is a circle, right? And that circle is also is called a small circle only, right? Now remember, now here this C dash is the foot of the perpendicular of the center of the sphere onto the plane. ఎందుకని ప్లేన్ కట్ చేస్తే కదా వచ్చిన ఫిగర్ ఇది. Therefore the center of the circle always lies on the plane, always lies on the plane. And C dash is the foot of the perpendicular of C, where C is the center of the sphere. You remember this one. This is very, very important concept. The plane section of a sphere. Now